直接露在外面，不是乘上它的。好，这只是不同的 convention 而已啊。就是说，有一些书呢把 m 定义成这样，有一些书定义成这样。好 ，so in most of the electrodynamics book, you will find this formula, but in some different textbook, you may find this formula. This is because these two different m define adopt different conventions. OK， 好，所以不同的习惯，好，并不是它错了，好。For example, in Feynman lectures on physics, volume 2, you will see that Feynman used this convention. OK， 啊，如果看费曼物理讲义 volume 2的时候，他就是用这个 convention 的，好。那我不难理解为什么 Poch 叶也用这 convention， 因为 Poch 叶从前就是读加州理工，而且还上过费曼的课，啊，那所以这个是有一定的影响，好。So we have introduced two formulas, two equations in Maxwell equation. This divergence B equal to rho and divergence B equal to 0. This equation means that there is no magnetic monopole in the universe. OK， 就是说这个式子所代表的意思是没有磁单极。好。这个世界上没有磁单极，好，所以 divergence B 等于0。假设你用这个闪度定理，好 ，divergence theorem，we can write this equation in the integral form. This integral form means that choose a closed surface. You will find that the total flux is equal to 0. Total magnetic flux is equal to 0. So this implies that there is no magnetic monopole. Sometimes you will see some science news claims that they have found magnetic monopole, but that kind of monopole always is effective monopole. 就是只是一个等效啊 ，effective monopole can exist. 啊，等效的磁单极是可以存在的，但是真正的磁单极不存在。啊，比如说你会看到一种东西，你可以去网络上查，叫做自旋冰，叫 spin ice 啊。那你可能会看到它什么跟什么 monopole 有什么关系啊？但那些都是等效的啊。等效的意思就是说，在你应用的范围内呢，你可以把它看成是一个 monopole 啊，但是呢，你如果详细研究细节，你就发现它其实不是，啊，它其实不是啊。No true monopole 啊，不存在哈，不存在 monopole 好，好。Then we encounter the third Maxwell equation. Curl E is equal to minus partial T partial B. This equation is called Faraday's induction law. 啊，法拉第的感应定律啊。 we can write this equation in integral form, which means this. Okay? This means that we consider a closed loop and suppose there are magnetic field B and B, we can calculate the magnetic flux phi B. Phi B is the magnetic flux through this surface. Okay, so if phi change with time, then it will induce electromotive force along the circuit. So there induced another type of electric field. So electric field comes from different reasons. The first reason is that there exists some charge. So according to Coulomb's law, you know that there are magnetic fields. However, there is another kind of electric field comes from the time change, the change of the magnetic flux. This was found by Faraday, and this is the basic principle about the generator. OK， 就发电机的基本原理其实就是来自于这些东西，好，来自于法拉第电磁感应定律。好，就法拉第发现，如果你让磁通随时间变化，那它附近的线圈就会导致一个电流。好，那这电流的来源，我们可以解释成说，磁通的变化产生了感应电动势。那感应电动势相当于什么呢？相当于一个电场，啊，电场的线积分，啊，这个叫做 epsilon， 哈 ，this epsilon which is equal to the line integral of the electric field is called electromotive force. Although the name is electromotive force, it is not a force. It is something like potential difference. Okay, so in a circuit, it can be combined to the potential. So this is a potential difference. However, it is different from the usual potential difference because once we can define potential, we mean that the force is conservative. 我们要对保守力才能够定义所谓的电位或是位能，对不对？因为保守力呢，你对物体做功的时候，你对物体做功，抵抗这个作用力，对它做功，但不给它额外的动能的话，你从一点移动到另外一点，做了多少功，只跟前后两个点有关，跟路径没有关系。So if you have a field provide conservative force, then if you do work to an object from point A to point B, then the total work done by you will not dependent on the path, only dependent on the two positions, the starting point and the final point. Okay, so in that case, you can define so-called potential. However, in this case, once a charge circling around the loop once, it gets energy. So it starts from this point and it goes back to the same point. So the energy cannot be defined as a potential difference energy.